Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me. Today I will be sharing my winter Fabfitfun box, and this is in support of women's Alzheimer's movement and was sponsored by none other than Maria Shriver. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right in, and I will be sharing my products. I do want to be clear that I am an annual member with Fabfitfun, so a lot of these items I did get to select, which was super awesome. Also, this is a HelloFresh coupon that they give you where you can receive like 9 free meals, but you receive these in like your box whenever you get them. And they also give you a coupon code so that you can maybe gift it to somebody else and they can sign up for Fabfitfun with a discount. So the total value of my box came out to $282.93. But guess what? I only paid $49.99 seasonally. Isn't that amazing? Every single product that I received for this season was amazing. I'm absolutely happy. Thank you guys so much for watching, and catch y'all in the next one. Bye!